Hey, John Crestana here. I'm going over 3 ways you can make $1,000 a day just using your phone. Wait, this is not a smartphone. Sorry, that's my main phone. Let me find a smartphone. Okay, here's a smartphone. Now, for this method, you should have a smartphone. You know, this is my main phone. I use a flip phone. Doesn't have any internet connectivity or even a camera. So don't use one of these phones. Use one of these phones. But I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day with it. Let's get it. So the first way to make $1,000 a day with your phone is super easy. Tens of thousands of other folks are doing it right now. And what is that way? Tens of thousands of people are making $1,000 a day with their smartphone? Yeah, they are. It's free, it's easy, and it's recording videos. A lot of you may be stuck in your head. Maybe you are worried about putting your face on camera. Maybe you want to only talk about things that interest you. Well, nobody cares about what interests you. The only thing people care about is what interests them. So if you follow my steps in my other videos where I talk about how to create a big YouTube channel, you can figure out the topics that interest other people. Again, I'm gonna be blunt here. I'm trying to teach you how to make money. Nobody cares about what you are interested in. Nobody. The only thing people care about is what interests them. And if you follow the proven steps to providing people content that they are interested in the way that they like best, you can use this thing and record yourself and put up videos on YouTube, and you follow my methods, you can start earning a lot of money from AdSense. Now, my first roughly 200 videos, about the first year I was doing YouTube, I was using this old phone. This is I don't know, some old phone, and I was just doing selfies. I was just doing selfie videos, kind of like motivational and also marketing content. I was using my laptop to film videos as well, the webcam on that, and quality wasn't great. You know, the camera shook a little bit. It doesn't matter. People want content that interests them. If you talk about material that interests people over a long enough time, people will start following you. But again, you've got to add value. So very easy to do, very simple, but it takes a while, and you can learn more about that in my other YouTube video on this topic. And the second way you can make $1,000 a day with your phone is actually shooting ads, or shooting videos and then running ads to them. Yeah, that may sound weird, but actually the general population in the world doesn't prefer highly produced ads. They prefer videos, they prefer ads that are personal, that are just like a dude speaking, you know, super genuine sounding voice. Now, a lot of my videos, I'm kind of like speaking in a presenting voice, but you could also just talk like this and talk in a more casual tone and just be real with people and say, you know, I used to be fat and, you know, it affected my self-esteem. I wasn't in relationships and, you know, I wouldn't hang out with my friends because I was worried what they'd think of me. But then I discovered this magical miracle pill when I was on a trip in Peru. And this magical miracle ingredient was able to make me amazingly skinny. And I wanted to share this with you so that other people can benefit from this same discovery. There's an ad, right? It doesn't need to be complicated. Again, people respect genuineness. That's just what people crave. They don't want ads. You can create better ads speaking genuinely to people just on your phone, selfie style. So try it out. Get good at advertising. Get good at sales. Get good at marketing. Again, it's just selling. It's just freaking sales. Talking about people's problems, talking about how you can solve their problems, talking about what benefits will come to them when you solve their problems, and then you're telling people that they have to act now. You know, giving them some urgency to act. Pack some scarcity on it. Pack some social proof, right? It's very easy to shoot ads. All you have to learn is sales and marketing. I have tons of videos on this channel. I have a video about how to create a YouTube ad, which I will have my editors link to somewhere above, that goes over step by step how you can write out and script out your YouTube ad. My best ads were all filmed on my camera phone. It baffles me that there aren't more people doing this, and I just kind of attribute it to many people are scared. I mean, I don't think people are lazy. I think they just, maybe they don't have their priorities right, but you know, it's really simple. Film an ad, go out and spend $5 on YouTube. And if you're gonna do it, type in "I'ma do it." It's not that difficult. Just make it happen. Another just amazing, really cutting edge idea that can make you at least $1,000 a day from your phone is selling consulting, reteaching what gurus like me teach. And I actually know folks that are making over $1 million a year just selling consulting on their phone. I know that sounds crazy. One great app to use in selling consulting is called Voxer. Voxer allows you to do a non-real-time voice communication, which is really becoming popular amongst the kind of guru or consulting industry for people that just don't want to have continually scheduled calls, but they can respond to people's questions on their own time. The fact of the matter is, people pay tens of thousands of dollars to receive consulting on really anything. You know, I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year getting consulting on how to do my business better. People spend $50,000 to $100,000 to learn how to do stock trading. People spend $50,000 to $150,000 on consulting to learn how to do real estate investing. People spend tens of thousands of dollars to learn how to start an internet business. There's massive amounts of money in all of these consulting categories because there's massive amount of money in these business models for your average person. Again, you can reteach some of the things I teach. I'd encourage you to get my course, the Super Affiliate System, to become an expert at affiliate marketing. And we're also adding in software to make it much faster and simpler to do affiliate marketing, and really helping people get what I call easy wins. Everyone here is probably here because they're looking for what I call an easy win, which means an easy way to get their first money in. And that's what I help people do. I help people get easy wins. And our software is about automating the whole process of affiliate marketing that I teach, which is using ad templates, site templates, and affiliate offers to put up advertising. And that whole process takes about 8.5 hours. For the average customer of mine who learns from Super Affiliate System, takes them 8.5 hours, right? Using ads that are done for them, sites that are done for them, and affiliate links. Using our software to take that whole process down to less than 5 minutes. That's how we're trying to add value. So when you're a customer of Super Affiliate System, you're also going to get access to our software, which is going to be released by the end of the year is when it's going to be released. And it takes everything what I've been teaching and just automates it all. So you'll be right there at the cutting edge of knowledge, and you'll be right there at the cutting edge of just work efficiency, which is ultimately making markets better. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification